Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Sky Asia. I'm never really like active on my YouTube channel, but I actually want to start being active, especially now that like school's about to be over and I'm finally gonna have time for myself. Anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing like a pampering video and stuff like that. I have a lot of cleaning to do today. I have to clean my room, I have to clean my bathroom, and I have to clean my living space area. And I kind of just like want to do all of that today, so when I'm done I can just relax. I kind of want to show you guys my room. I feel like I should start off with my room first, but I know it's not exactly pampering, but don't forget it's also like a self-love video. I feel like to be happy and be in self-love, you need to be in a clean environment. So this is how this area of my floor looks. I have paintings I haven't put up yet. My dog's pee pads, shoes I was wearing. That blanket is literally from when I went to the river. It just needs to be folded back up. You know, like Hazel's sleeping, but you know, I've got like bags on my bed. You know, I need to make my bed. On this side, my orange peelings fell, like don't even mind that. And then I have like my painting stuff, you know, Hazel's stuff on the floor, my robe. Okay y'all, so I just wanted to show you guys how my room is looking. I've made my bed. I make my bed in a weird way, like I make my bed like this because it's comfortable for me, and I like to have blankets everywhere because my dog sheds and it just makes it easier to like clean up hair. I finally got everything off my floor. This is Hazel's little section. I'm gonna go in with that spray and I'm gonna wipe my shelves off, and I'm gonna wipe the stand and my heater. And then I'm also going to clean my hair. Oh my god, I look so short. Alright, and then I just need to put those in the dirty clothes. And I still need to put that blanket up. And then I just need to figure out where I'm going to put like that junk on my bed at. And then I'm literally done. Only with the bedroom. The next thing I have to do is my bathroom. My bathroom won't take that long though. I just have to clean my counters and figure out where to put that stuff at. But you guys are gonna watch me. Okay, it's getting a little hot, so I can put my hair in a ponytail. But the clothes that were sitting right there, I put them in the washing machine. The load is already going. My room is clean now. The only thing I have to do to it is vacuum. I picked up Hazel's food bowl and stuff so I can vacuum, and then I'm gonna just put it back down. Okay y'all, so I just got in vacuuming my room. If you're wondering what those like patches are, it's because I went in with like some carpet scrub, and if I see like stains on my floor, I usually scrub them up. Like over here I have like a couple of pink stains from when I was like painting right there, so that's why but I didn't like spray them this time. And I had only like, see, there's like another pink stain over there. I'm just like super clumsy, and I'm so excited because it's finally clean. It smells so good. I'm out of breath. I also cleaned my fan, so now I feel like I have like fresh air flowing through. But yeah, so now I kind of want to move on to the restroom. I'm gonna show you guys how my restroom looks. Pretty dirty. I need to sweep and mop. I'm not gonna do any laundry because I'm already doing the laundry downstairs. I kind of want to change up my setup in my restroom as well, so Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show you guys the restrooms. I'm loving the way it's turning out. I decided to put this picture here just because I had like that white patch there. It's supposed to be another towel rack, but until it gets fixed, I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna use this to hang my towel on. So now it looks cute. I don't have to worry about that stupid picture right there. I got bored and I put these pink lights up. This is how it looks when it's dark. It looks super cute. Okay, and I like how the pink light matches the fairy lights, because I have like different pinks and stuff. But yeah, this was the best thing. I don't know why I didn't put that there before. Restroom is completely done now. Adding the pink lights was my favorite thing. I feel like it looks super, super cool. This is what this is like the living room area. I didn't really do anything out here, but see, I just love like the two-toned colors. I didn't really do anything out here but vacuum and put my laundry up. That's why I didn't really like record me, but I straightened the bed off. It's supposed to be a lash bed though, and all I have to do is get all these cups and just put them downstairs in the sink. My clothes were just sitting on this couch. They were clean though from my last load, and that's the trash I have used for everything. And let me show you what my room looks like now. It's clean right now. I'm just like putting my clean clothes away, and then literally after this, all I have to do is throw the trash can away and those cups, and I'm done. I've been cleaning for like 3 hours just for y'all to have this short video. Like, the sun's not even out no more. That's why I'm trying to hurry up, because I don't want to take the trash when it's dark, y'all, because I'm scared. Yeah, I have so many cute dresses, but nobody wants to ask me out on a date, so I haven't worn any. I have my clothes kind of through like color order, as you can see, you know, like I said, y'all, and literally just knowing the fact that like everything is clean, and I know that I'm not gonna have to do this again until like 2 more weeks, just makes me feel super, super good. I always try and keep myself busy. It helps like with overthinking and everything. Cleaning is just, you know, it's a great way of getting your mind off stuff sometimes. I don't even like to clean. That's why I don't do it every day unless I have a reason to. Hi, Moo. Y'all look, Hazel just came back. Okay, y'all, this is how it's looking. Room is done, floor is clean. My room just feels fresh. I feel like I can breathe. It's clean. You've got the white room, got the pink room, then this area. This area still needs done though. When I work on my game room, I will obviously do a video of me doing that so you guys can see. But yeah, the only thing I have to do now is take my trash out and put those drinks up. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for cleaning with me, watching me clean, whatever you guys want to call it. I'd take those out. I've got like 4 cups to take downstairs, and that's it. So yeah, I've been cleaning for about maybe like 3 hours, so pretty short video for you guys to watch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like, and make sure you guys also check out my other video. I'm gonna be doing another video based off like my shower routine, but in a like aesthetic type of way. Like I'm not gonna really be talking, but yeah. Anyways, bye.